2026, creating a product is not enough. You need real strategy to build real income online. I struggled until I learned that business success comes from systems, not products. To start your digital product business, but you don't know how, I've created a free guide that you can go ahead and download. It will walk you step by step on how you can start. So, how are you going to start selling your digital product? Yes, that's what I'm going to show you in this video, how you can start and then upscale. First of all, you need to build a trust bridge offer. Yes, what I mean by a trust bridge offer may be a digital product that is going to be like your startup. For example, when people go to a restaurant, they'll always get a starter before the main meal comes. So this is like your starter to your customers before the main offer comes or the big offer comes. And you can start with something which is around $5, $9, $7, like something that is going to buy people's trust into your life. So that's how you can start. You create something that has value, but not all of your values. So something that is going to be maybe a portion of what they can expect from the big offer that you have created. So when people buy this product, have they'll have, let me say, they'll start trusting you, and even if you bring another offer to them, they will be willing to pay for it, even if you are pricing it high. Since the first offer that you gave them, it was on a lower price, but it helped them. So that's how you start. You start with a low ticket product. So when you are starting out, I would not advise you to start with a product maybe it's about $500, $700. People don't know yet, they don't know you in the market yet, and it will be hard for these people to trust you because they have not used your products before. They have not used your product before. But when they use your product before and they will know that this product really works, this person is really giving value, this is going to push them to buy more products to you, so that any product that you bring to them, they are going to be willing to buy because they tested out your low ticket product and it worked for them. Yes, so you start with something that is not very expensive, something that is going to buy people's hearts so that they get connected to you, so that you get to know them and they get to know you through that product. Yes, I'm not saying that because it's of low price, go and create a product that doesn't have value, that doesn't solve a problem, that is not a solution. Remember, any product that you are creating is supposed to be solving a problem. That's why a person buys. They are paying for a solution. They have a problem, so they need a solution to their problem. So if you create a low ticket product that does not have value, these people will not come back to you. They will not come to buy any products from you again because they did not get what they wanted. They did not see the results. You did not meet up to their expectation. So no matter how your product, your trust bridge offer, no matter how the price is, even if it's price low, make sure you provide value. Make sure you provide value, because that's why the people clicked on your product in the first place, because of value. They did not click for anything else. They want value that is going to help them change their lives, so that even they can recommend you, they can recommend you to other people. Yes, so don't create something that doesn't have value, or something that can't help a person, even you, that it can't help you. So provide value. Yes. So this is going to take us to our next step. And our next step is product ladder. Yes, so if you know a ladder always has a starting point and it goes on and goes on and goes on up like that. Yes, that's how a ladder is. It will keep on going up and up and up. Yes, so when we come here on our product ladder, first of all, you can create a freebie. Yes, a freebie. This is where you are going to be creating people's emails for free. And it also, in the freebie, don't create a freebie which doesn't have value, which is not helping people. Create a freebie that is helping people and is giving value, so that will make people wonder if a freebie is having value packed like this, then how will the paid offer be, so that they will come back yearning to you? Yes, so you create a freebie, and that freebie is going to help you to upscale your business, because this freebie is not only just a freebie, it's going to help you get people's emails. Yes, people, you'll be using it to correct people's emails, and these emails are going to help you because you can use them later into your business and they'll start working for you. Yes, so creating a freebie that has value. Don't say because it's a freebie, I'll not include any value, I'll put value only in my paid offer. No, that's not how things work. If you create a freebie, you make sure that that freebie provides value to people, so that people can come back to you any time of the day, because they know that the freebie that you created for them is giving them value. Yes, it's giving them value. For example, this is my freebie that I created, a simple roadmap to your first sale as a beginner. And there I show you steps that you can use to to start as a beginner if you don't know any experience about selling digital products. Yes, and if a person comes here, they'll put in their email and their name, and they will download to get their guide in their inbox. So if you're there and you want it, you just use the link that I'll leave in the description. You use the link that I will leave in the description below. So that's how you go ahead and create a freebie. You can use ChatGPT to help you, but you can go ahead and format that freebie and add in things that you think will be of value to your customers or to your audience. Yes, then this is where our low ticket product comes in, that is going to help you build trust. First of all, you've created a freebie, you've helped people solve a problem for free without anything, and in return they gave you their email. Then here, this is where you come in with your low ticket product. Then from your freebie, for example, my freebie, if I come here and I show you again, my freebie here is a simple roadmap from idea to your first sell, even as a beginner. Yes, so if a person is there, they are stuck, they have an idea to create their digital product, but they are stuck, they don't know what to create. So this will help you to start. And from that, I've also created a low ticket offer or a low ticket digital product. If a person likes my freebie, they can go ahead and check out my low ticket digital product that I have created. So that's how that works. Then from the low ticket digital product, then you come in with your main digital product. Yes, and that is something that is bigger than the freebie and the low ticket. Then here you can price maybe $100, $500 and plus, because this is your main product. Like this is your big thing. I don't know how I can say this. This is your big thing. Yes, like all this work you've been putting in, creating the freebie so that you can get emails, creating a low ticket product, you are targeting this main offer, so that by the time the main offer comes, you already have people who trust you, people who trusted you when they downloaded your freebie. You've built connections, and let me say, you build a business connection with these people or with these customers. Then those ones who came back and bought your low ticket product, that means they trusted you more. There is something that you people are working on together, and since you have built your low ticket product, then these people will still come back to buy your main digital product, and then you keep on doing upsells, and that's how you can scale and be different from others. Don't create a product that is leading nowhere, a product that is going to give you one time sale. But here you've created a freebie, it has given you these emails. These emails are going to stay with you forever, and you can keep on pushing to those emails. Yes, so that's how you go ahead. You create your freebie, your ticket offer, then later you create your main product. Then it's going to take us to our step number 3, customer lifetime value. You get one customer, it equals many sales. That's where our ladder comes in. So when you create a freebie, that person, you collect their email. That means you can be sending them emails maybe like Friday every week, or maybe 2 times a week, maybe checking on them, giving them tips, and also promoting your products to them. And most times people who open those emails, some of them end up buying your offer, and you can still get from that. Yes, you can still be promoting to them every time. Those people have now become part of your family. They'll always be on your list of customers. Any new product that comes up, since you have their email list, you can go ahead and write them. Yes, you can keep on pushing emails, even those ones who didn't buy in the first time. Since you have their emails from the freebie or from the low ticket product that they bought from you, you can keep on sending them emails from day to day. Yes, I'm not saying that you go on spamming people's emails and be sending them emails in the morning, evening, afternoon, and night. That's not good, and that business does not work like that. So you choose maybe a day or 2 days in a week, and not only selling them emails to promote your products, but sometimes you can send emails to give them value, to help them in a certain way without asking them to buy anything from you. Then this is taking us to our step number 4. And step number 4 is making marketing channels. Marketing channels, as I always say, you can use YouTube. Why I always recommend YouTube? YouTube is a long time game that you can create a video, maybe how to cook macaroni and cheese. Maybe you created it in 2020. That video can still apply to people up to now who are searching it. So if you are creating evergreen content, those videos will keep on coming back to people to use them. They are not like other social media where the algorithm favors you today and tomorrow it will stop. Then you can also use Pinterest, and another thing that you can use is the email list. So this is where our freebie comes in, that any email that you create, it's now on your list and it's going to stay with you forever. Even if Pinterest suspends your account or bans it, you have already your email list that is your own. Nobody controls it for you. You control it by yourself. Then even if YouTube wakes up one day and blocks your account or bans it, you have your email list. Like, this is the main thing, that these people, you have access to their emails. Yes, so this is part of, social media will be controlling it for you. You'll be controlling it by yourself. Yes, and this is taking us to our last step. Our last step is scaling up. And when you scale up, you can create like bundles. I always emphasize on creating bundles, because bundles helps your products to make you more money. Yes, for example, if you create a wedding invitation and you bundle it with a seating chart, you bundle it with maybe baby shower invitations, maybe you bundle it with menus for the wedding or reservation cards, that is going to help you to bundle your product. And the next step that you can go ahead now to use is automation systems. So now, since you have created people's emails, you can set up email automations where these emails work for you day and night. You send emails to people and people will be clicking on to buy. Even if you wake up and like, I don't want to post content anymore, you already have your email list. Maybe you have 10,000 subscribers, maybe you have 2,000 subscribers. Imagine sending emails to those people, maybe 500 people of them buy. Or imagine anytime you are launching up a new product, you send first to your subscribers, and those subscribers now, they are loyal to you, they are part of your family, they have used most of your products and they have provided value. 100% of them always end up buying. When your email list grows, sometimes even you don't have to go posting content every day to find buyers or people to buy from you. Since your emails there, you just write them and say, hey, check out my new product that I've created, and people will buy. And another way you can upscale, you can also be using you can also be including tools that you are using in those emails. That's another source of income that can come in, and you can tap into affiliate marketing. For example, if you are using maybe a tool like Everbee for Etsy to do your product research, you can include it in the emails and you can tell your people or your email list, check out this tool Everbee. I'm using it to dive into it to get its research, and it's making me sales. So some people can go ahead and check out those tools that you are using to grow your business, and they can also subscribe to them and you can get an extra income. So that's how you can upscale your business in this year 2026. When you're starting out digital products, you can start smarter. Yes, you don't have to start like anyone else. So you can go ahead and check out my free guide. that, I'll leave the link in the description below. So making money is about working smarter and having multiple streams of income. So if you have started with your freebie, now you have your email list, your low ticket offer, your main product, and now you can upscale later, you can bundle, automation comes in and works for you, and you can also be recommending tools that you are using to your email list. So if this video has been of help to you and has given you value, please don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and share it. Please share it. Thank you.